Okay. Well, today we're going to start learning about the ratio. Of course, it's a practice. It is a practice about percent and ratio. This is in our class. We have this day, and of course, this is the objective. I'm going to write it for you. Objective: practicing practicing concepts about ratio and percent. Activity: yes, solve word problems. Good. So we're going to solve some word problems. The first one is going to be about percent. So please write the example. And we're going to solve the following word problem. Find the 30%, the 35% of $457. This is, for instance, a kind of word problem you are going to find in your test. So they are asking you to find this value. So the idea is to solve the exercise according this. The very first thing we're going to do to start is to transform this 35% in decimal number. So what is the decimal number? 0.35. Correct. This is the very first thing we do when we talk about percent and when we want to verify what is the percent in certain value. In this case, we're going to multiply 0.35 times 457 to get the percentage, the 35%. So let's proceed. The procedure. We're going to write the number with more digits. In this case, it's going to be 457 times 0.35. Okay, so let's proceed. We do the multiplication. Remember the way we multiply. 5 times 7, it's 35. I write 5 here. The normal way we multiply. And I write 3 here on top. We write the 3 to the next place value. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 3, 28. I write the 8. And of course, I write the decimal point here. Remember that we have to line up the decimal points this way. And then I write the number 2. 5 times 4 equals 20. Plus 2, 22. Finally, I write the whole number. I don't need to take the 10, so in this case the 2, to any other place value. I write the whole number. Then I multiply, observe, I want to multiply 3 times 7, but notice something. The answer of 3 times 7 will be written here just below the column of the number 3. So don't forget it. 3 times 7 is 21. Let's try 21. 1 here, the decimal point, don't forget it, and then I write the number 2. 3 times 5, you see, 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2, 17. So let's write the number 7 and then the number 1 in the next place value. And finally, 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Just like this. Okay, kids? Now that we have all the values, I recall you that the most common mistake you can observe in this kind of problems is that you kids write numbers here. No, don't write any number there when you multiply. Remember that you have to line up the answer on the second, well, the second multiplication you do with the number, the second number you are multiplying, in this case 3. Let's do the addition. 5 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9, correct? The decimal point, 2 plus 7 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. And finally, 1. So, now that we got the answer, we are going to write this answer in a sentence. In a meaningful sentence, we write the answer. Okay, so don't forget to write it. Answer. In this case, the answer is the 35% of $457 is $159.95. So this is the way we are going to write, in this case, an answer in words. So far, so good? Excellent. We're going to do now another problem. This is just as an example to understand how to find the percent in a value. Kids, I'm going to give you some time to complete it.